Hey guys, welcome to Shockproof Living. Today we're going to be replacing this outlet here. They installed this new wall paneling. So we're going to replace this receptacle to a black one. And also we're going to be installing one of these things, which what we electricians call is called a goof ring. But the real term is a box extender. Here's what they come in. It's just to make sure that when the outlet is put back in its place, it covers everything since it's no longer up against the box. So first things first, we always want to make sure we have no power. So we're gonna use our breaker finder from Klein Tools. We're gonna plug it in. We definitely have power there. So let's go to the breaker box and let's shut her down. Let's take a walk over to that panel. We're gonna turn it on. And we're gonna work our way down. Oh, sorry about that. We're gonna work our way down nice and slow till it beeps red. So it doesn't look like it's on this side. Come back to this side. All right. Beeping red. Looks like that's the one. Let's make sure nobody else beeps. Just in case. Yep, looks like it's that one. Let's go back. All right, it's the second one. Shut it down. Oh, it's the garage lights too. All right, let's go back. All right, now that we got this turned off, so you can see the lights are turned off. Let's unplug this. Let's pull the outlet out. All right. So we got here, we got two blacks on this side, two whites, and a ground, which got some paint on it in white, but it's a bare ground. It's got no insulation on it. All right, we're gonna replace this one with this black Levington outlet. It's also got tamper-proof, so kids can't stick anything inside the holes. Keep them safe. Definitely want to have these in your house if you have kids, just to prevent any electrical shocks or hazards. All right, so we got the gold brown screws on this side, silver screws on this side. We got the green ground. We're pretty much gonna do exactly how they got it onto this one. So let's start taking it apart. And always double check with your non-contact voltage tester. Okay. Now they stabbed the wires. They didn't use any of the screws. They stabbed them right into the back. I don't recommend that. They work, but it's not a solid connection as if you were to use a screw. All right, and the way I found to remove them out the back is kind of twisting the receptacle while holding pressure with the wire. You can usually get them out, or you can just cut it. See how that one was so much easier? That connection wasn't as tight. So we're just going to wiggle it around so we get the wire out. Loosen the ground, pull it out. We're gonna get our new black one. Start with the ground. Tighten it up nice and snug. Now we wanna bend the hook. Let's strip this one a little more, it's a little short. And we wanna bend the hook on each one of these wires so we can wrap around the screw. So give us a good solid connection on the receptacle. Now we want to do the same thing on the other side. Let's take a little bit more off of this one. Bend the hook. Bend the hook. Get the wire around the hook. Get the wire around the screw. And now the other one. Nice and tight. Always want to double check your connections. Nice and tight. All right. Now we're going to remove these screws because we need to put longer ones because it's so far away from the wall. Now this is what they come, how they come normally. But if I put this in now, you can almost see it from the sides. So we went ahead and we painted one black just so that, and we're just going to slide it over around the receptacle. Just kind of straighten out the wire so we can get them through. Pull out the receptacle. You got it in there. We're just gonna slide right in like that. And now we're gonna push the receptacle in there. We got some longer 2-inch screws. Use to secure it in. Now I'm gonna have to get down here, find a hole. All right. Tighten that one. Now we'll do the bottom one. We'll push that goof ring all the way to the back. Nice and snug. Don't want to over tighten it. We want to straighten it out. Make sure it's nice and straight. tight. Look at the new cover. All right, that looks really nice. Got that black receptacle with this wall, really nice wall panels. So that'll look a lot better than the white one. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And thank you.